Today we're talking about one super easy exercise that you can do from virtually anywhere in the world to fix your lazy eye. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name's Annette. I'm a posture specialist, and this channel is dedicated to giving you the tools to fix your posture, prevent injury, and improve your quality of life. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, so before we get started, there are 3 things that you have to consider. Number 1, are you left-handed or right-handed? This is going to be important because if you're right-handed, you'll have to use your right index finger, and if you're left-handed, you will use your left index finger. Next, this exercise is to be performed clockwise. However, depending on where you're located in the world, above or below the equator, the motion of the circles that you're going to perform are going to change. So for example, if you're located above the equator in North America, you will perform these exercises clockwise. However, if you're located below the equator in South America or in Australia, the exercises are to be performed anti-clockwise. And last but not least, it's super important that those exercises are performed right in front of your eyes. The circles shouldn't be too big as to go above your forehead and shouldn't be too low as to go below your nose. All right, so are you ready? Let's get started. You can perform this exercise either in a sitting or standing position. And to begin, simply draw a vertical line on your dominant index. Step 2, bring your index right in front of your eyes, and you want to make sure that both of your eyes are focusing on the line. Next, once you've determined the starting position of the exercise, you will proceed by moving in a clockwise fashion. Now, what's really important is that you start off slow. It's going to be really important that you see one line throughout the entire exercise. Now, if you want to make the exercise more challenging, all that you have to do is to bring your finger just a little bit closer to your nose. You'll know that you're performing the exercise well if you feel some kind of pulling or tension in your eyes. Now, for optimal results, perform this exercise anywhere between 1 to 3 times a day. I would also suggest performing this exercise right before any training session. All right, so now that we understand the step-by-step on how to perform the exercises, let's watch it one more time without any interruption. In a sitting position, find your starting point by bringing your index finger right in front of your eyes. Now begin the exercise by performing clockwise circles in front of your eyes. It's important that the circles are no higher than your mid-forehead and no lower than your mid-nose. You'll know that you're performing the exercise correctly if you feel tension and pulling in the back of your eyes. To make the exercise more challenging, simply bring your index finger closer towards your midline. For optimal results, do this between 30 to 45 seconds, between 1 to 3 times a day, for a minimum of 30 days. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below if you have a lazy eye and if you found that this exercise was helpful to you.